Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Dropbox folders with versioning and restore full guide. To begin, log in to your Dropbox account. Navigate to the folder you wish to backup. Right-click on the folder. Select Download from the drop-down menu. This will save a copy of your folder to your local device. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of Dropbox installed. Open Dropbox on your computer. Locate the folder you downloaded. Create a new folder in your local Dropbox directory to store this backup. Now, drag and drop the downloaded folder into the new backup folder. This keeps your backup organized and easily accessible. To enable versioning for your backup, go to the Dropbox website. Find the file or folder you wish to set versioning for. Right-click and select Version History. You will see a list of previous versions of that file or folder. Choose a version you wish to restore. Click on Restore to revert back to that previous version. If you want to restore an entire folder, individual files must be restored. Keep a record of important version dates for future reference. To double-check your restoration, open the file or folder. Ensure it reflects the changes you wanted to restore. Consider setting up a regular backup schedule for important folders. This can help keep your data safe and up to date. You can automate backups by using third-party tools or scripts if needed. Always remember to periodically review your backups for any unnecessary files. Keep your backup and main folder names consistent for easy navigation. By following these steps, you can effectively manage Dropbox folder backups with versioning and restore capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.